Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send BNB from Kraken to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto assets or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your BNB in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Uphold, and that you have some BNB in your Kraken wallet. It's also a good idea to double-check your Uphold wallet address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select BNB from your list of assets. You'll see an option for Withdraw or Send. Click that to proceed. Now, for Step 2. Enter the wallet address from your Uphold account. Head over to Uphold, log in, and find your BNB wallet address. Copy it carefully and paste it into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Don't forget to specify the amount of BNB you want to send, and always leave a little extra for network fees. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Kraken will show you a summary, including estimated fees and processing time. Take a moment to verify everything, especially the destination address, to ensure it's correct. Once you're confident, hit confirm. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour or more in 2025, as blockchain speeds can vary. After the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your Uphold account. Step 4. Once the BNB arrives, you'll see it reflected in your Uphold balance. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check the transaction status on a Blockchain Explorer for BNB, which is on the BNB Smart Chain. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or additional fees in 2025. That's it for this guide. I hope this makes your crypto transfers hassle-free. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.